You hit 10,000 views on your YouTube video, and you're probably wondering how much money just landed in your bank account. The truth is, it depends on several factors, and in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what YouTube pays for 10,000 views in 2025. Now, I've personally analyzed hundreds of YouTube channels across different niches, and I've collected real data from my own channels and from other creators who've shared their earnings publicly. And what I'm about to show you might surprise you, because the numbers vary wildly depending on what you do. So here's what the data shows. For 10,000 views, YouTube channels earn anywhere between $10 and $300. The average channel, based on my analysis, makes around $155 for 10,000 views. But here's the reality. Most channels actually earn between $50 and $100 for those same 10,000 views. So why is there such a huge gap between the average and what most people actually make? And more importantly, how can you position yourself to earn on the higher end of that range? That's exactly what we're going to cover. If you want to maximize your earnings for 10,000 views, the first thing you need to understand is niche selection. Your niche directly impacts your RPM, which stands for revenue per meal, or how much you earn per 1,000 views. Different advertisers pay different amounts depending on the type of content they're advertising on. For instance, companies like American Express and Chase Bank are major YouTube advertisers, and they're spending big money to reach audiences watching finance content. Similarly, software companies like Adobe and Microsoft are willing to pay premium rates to advertise on technology and business channels. Now, here's a breakdown of the highest paying niches in 2025, so feel free to screenshot this. The top earning niches include personal finance, cryptocurrency, business strategy, software tutorials, real estate investing, insurance comparison, credit card reviews, tax planning, wealth management, online business, B2B marketing, and enterprise technology. Now, on the flip side, some niches naturally have lower RPMs but can compensate with massive view counts. Examples of lower RPM niches include entertainment commentary, gaming content depending on the specific game, viral challenges, reaction videos, and general lifestyle vlogs. The second major factor that affects how much you earn from 10,000 views is video length and ad placement strategy. If you create videos that are longer than 8 minutes, YouTube allows you to place multiple ads throughout your content. Here's how to set this up. Navigate to YouTube Studio, click on the Content tab, select the video you want to monetize, scroll down to the Monetization section, and click on the option to manage mid-roll ads. From there, you can strategically place ad breaks at natural transition points in your video. For example, if you look at a video that's 12 minutes long, you might have one ad at the start, 2 mid-roll ads during the video, and 1 at the end, giving you 4 total monetization opportunities instead of just 1. I recommend placing these ad breaks every 2 to 3 minutes to maintain a good viewer experience while maximizing revenue. However, here's something critical to understand. Don't artificially inflate your video length just to add more ads. If you stretch a 5-minute topic into a 15-minute video with fluff content, your audience retention will drop, and lower retention actually hurts your overall earnings more than those extra ads help. The key is to make longer videos only when you have genuinely valuable content to share that keeps viewers engaged. Remember, engagement and watch time matter just as much as ad placement. And videos of any length can perform exceptionally well if the content resonates with your audience. Now let me share something that most creators don't talk about, and this completely changes the game for earnings per 10,000 views. The channel you're watching right now earns over $2,000 for every 10,000 views. You might be thinking, wait, how is that even possible when we just said most channels earn $50 to $100 for 10,000 views? Here's the strategy. I've built multiple revenue streams beyond just ad revenue, and the biggest one is offering digital products directly to my audience. In my case, I created an online training program that teaches creators how to grow and monetize their channels, and this generates approximately $150,000 per month from this channel alone. Meanwhile, the ad revenue from YouTube only brings in around $8,000 to $15,000 per month. That means for every 10,000 views, the digital product sales contribute about $1,800, while ads contribute around $200. If you want to learn more about this strategy, I've created a detailed breakdown of 15 different digital product models you can implement on your channel, including online courses, coaching programs, templates, ebooks, membership communities, and software tools. The link to that resource is in the description below, and it could completely transform how you think about monetization. Now let's look at real examples so you can see exactly how this works in practice. There's a channel called Graham Stephan in the personal finance space, and I'm using a tool called Social Blade to estimate their metrics. This channel averages about 8 million views per month. Let me show you the calculation. Take 8 million views, divide by 1,000 to get the number of thousands of views, which gives us 8,000. Then multiply that by their estimated RPM for the finance niche, which is probably around $25 to $35 per thousand views. Let's use $30 as our estimate. That means this channel is earning approximately $240,000 per month just from ad revenue. Now let's look at a different example. A gaming channel called Typical Gamer uploads content in the gaming niche. This channel pulls in roughly 15 million views per month. Using the same formula, we divide 15 million by 1,000 to get 15,000. Then multiply by their RPM, which for gaming content is typically around $4 to $8 per thousand views. Let's say $6 per thousand views. That means this channel earns around $90,000 per month. Notice something interesting here. The finance channel makes more money per month even though it gets fewer total views, because the RPM in that niche is significantly higher. Finally, let's examine a tech review channel called Marques Brownlee, which receives approximately 25 million views per month. If we apply our calculation with an RPM of around $12 to $18 per thousand views for tech content, let's estimate $15 per thousand views. That puts this channel's monthly ad revenue at around $375,000, which is substantial. Now, throughout this video, I've been using the term RPM, which is your actual earnings per thousand views after YouTube takes their cut. Some people use CPM, which is what advertisers pay before YouTube's share, but when calculating your earnings, RPM is the number that matters. If you want to dive deeper into the absolute best niches for maximizing your YouTube income in 2025, I've created a comprehensive breakdown in my next video that covers the top 10 highest paying content categories and why they work so well. Click on the video appearing on your screen right now and I'll see you there.